So my name's Andy and I'm from Eurobond Adhesives, part of the TECHSiL Group, and today we're going to do some hot melt with your LEDs. So we have a bit of dibond here. As we all know, the LEDs that come with some tape, but sometimes the tape isn't strong enough to hold the LEDs in place. So we get some of our surface wipes and we clean the surface, make sure there's no grit or anything like that on top there. Once we've done that, as you can see, it's evaporated off. We give it a light scratch with the Scotch pad, and then we clean the surface again to remove any residue. Today we've got our 248, which is our high strength construction adhesive, ideal for the LEDs. It doesn't damage the wire nor the LEDs. We lay it where it needs to be placed, and we get our hot melt glue, nice and easy, dispense over the top. Do that every 15-20 centimetres or so. Put that to one side and turn the gun off. Remember to turn the gun off so we don't burn ourselves. Leave that for 15-20 seconds and you can move it on and do the next bit. Right, so next up is our VT Plus, which I do use for the locators and the sign trays throughout the sign industry. I'm using the same piece I've just used, so I've already cleaned it, I've already abraded this piece here. However, the locators, they also need to be cleaned and abraded. Using the isopropyl alcohol wipes, we clean it, we then abrade the back of them, and then we clean again. We do this to remove any residue from the injection mould machines when they're produced. We then get our VT Plus, insert it into our gun, remove the nozzle, and then we will purge it to make sure we get equal parts of A and B. Once purged, we can then put our nozzle on. We can, where we've abraded, we should put the bead down. Now the way you apply the nozzle, the way you apply the locator is to come down at an angle and go across. I'm going to do that one again because I've just dropped that one. So we apply our adhesive onto the surface. We then get our locator, come down at the angle and roll it across. You don't need to push really hard down because that will disperse the adhesive. From that you won't get the bonds. In 7 minutes that will be touch dry, so you can move it to one side. An hour full cure. This adhesive could also go through the powder coating process at 180 degrees. So after the hour, it cures like this, it's solid. You put your locators onto the wall, that's it, job done. So here we're going to fix sign channel to dibond. So again, we always clean the surface first, both sides, the dibond and the sign channel with the isopropyl alcohol wipe. We then get our Scotch pad and give both surfaces a clean. Braid both surfaces there, and then clean again with the isopropyl alcohol wipe. Now in this demonstration I've only got a 12mm tape. Our 19mm fits perfectly on the back of this sign channel. For this intents purpose it will be 12mm, which we apply as such. Cut off the ends, and then with our roller applicator just roll that down so it's nice and flat. Then a little trick is to nick the end of the filmic liner, which will then remove, peel away. Then we just need to get that into position and push down. And there we have your sign channel locator all done for you.